Roots true deeper than religion, the real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see through illusion. Deep in jungle lane tonight, where the street light flicker weak and hunger walk barefoot through the alleys, the sufferer still cry out to Jah. Not every warrior carry weapon, some carry pain, some carry silence, some carry silence, some carry generation of broken promises. Babylon build flashy towers uptown, while the ghetto youth inherit struggle and surveillance. But even in the darkest corner, truth still breathe through the people. So let the drum speak, feed them know. Sufferer cry from jungle lane, cold night falling with rain. Picnic sleeping, panting mattress, while politicians board private plane. Mama boiling, empty pot, still praying Jah forget her not. Babylon promised jobs and peace, yet violence all the people got. Old dread man by the roadside, fire eyes heavy but spirit higher. Him chant psalms through cracked cassette, like prophecy through barbed wire. Bassline rolling deep and slow, acoustic guitar naturally flow. Vintage microphone catch every scar, that city people never know. Sufferer cry from jungle lane, still giant